it's very clear that the income tax cuts that were passed in 2011 were a raw deal for about 2 out of 5 Mainers. Those in the bottom of the income distribution, low and lower middle income folks, are going to, well, if we just look at the income tax cuts, we can start there. The average income tax cut for folks in the bottom 20% was about $7. The wealthiest families in Maine, in the top 1%, got close to $3,000. Mm-hmm. That's the policy change. That was the decision that the legislature made. Now, that's only part of the story. When we look at the enormous hole that these income tax blew in the state budget, mm-hmm. what we find is that the legislature went around trying to figure out ways to pay for that. And they grabbed money from schools for educating our kids. They grabbed money from local towns that was earmarked for them. And they also grabbed money from the property tax relief program that is directly intended for property tax relief for low and middle income folks. When we add up all those things, which is what we did in this report that you can find at MECEP.org, we found that that tiny $7 that the bottom 20% got, or even a little more for folks in the 20 to 30% decile of income, gets completely swamped by property tax hikes that will make up for this lost funding for schools and towns. So that's how it works. That's how a tax cut that was billed as providing broad-based relief and removing 70,000 families from the income rolls, well, actually, it may have done that, but they got a tiny amount out of that, and then they have turn around and spend it on property taxes. So this was a tax cut for rich people, and there's no doubt about that.